To fix Prizepicks Withdrawal not working, start by checking your account balance and ensuring you have sufficient funds to withdraw. Verify that your account is verified and that you have completed any necessary identity checks. Next, review the withdrawal options available on Prizepicks, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment methods. Make sure you have added a valid payment method to your account and that it is up to date. If you are still having trouble, check for any technical issues with the Prizepicks website or app. Try clearing your browser cache or reinstalling the app to see if this resolves the issue. You can also try using a different browser or device to rule out any device-specific problems. Another step is to check the withdrawal limits and any applicable fees associated with your account. Prizepicks may have minimum or maximum withdrawal limits, and exceeding these limits can prevent a withdrawal from being processed. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Prizepicks customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide guidance on how to complete a successful withdrawal. Be prepared to provide your account information and a detailed description of the issue you are experiencing. Additionally, ensure that your payment method is compatible with Prizepicks and that it is not blocked or restricted. You can also try withdrawing a smaller amount to test if the issue is specific to a certain amount. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Prizepicks withdrawal not working and successfully withdraw your funds. It is also a good idea to regularly review your account settings and payment methods to prevent any future issues with withdrawals.